for this job, we need our scissors, our pen and ruler, and then we'll be cutting our pattern firstly. So you just draw out your lines, measure it out. I measured mine 11 inch on 6.5 inch. Then I cut it out, and the lines trimmed out the excess lines, and then I folded it into half like this, and then I'm going to make I'm just trying to trim the edges here. Then I'm going to make like a round edge at the bottom and then a straight line at the top. So just to give it like a shape, I just shaped it to my desired so you're going to see what it looks like. So I just cut it out, did the same thing for the other side, cut it out, and this is what the pattern looks like. So this is what the leather I'll be using. I'm just tracing it on my leather and then cutting it out. Cutting it out. I needed to cut out 2 pieces, so this is what I got. Now I'm cutting out the bottom and the sides of the bag. So I made mine 4 inch on about 27 inch long. Measured out from the top down 5 inch. Then I got my midpoint, and from my midpoint I made out 1 inch out, and I'm just tracing the line. I did the same thing for this side, 1 inch out, 5 inch down, and then I'm just cutting it out on both sides. And this is what I got for my sides, and these are my pieces. So I'm going to be cutting my pieces on my lining. I just traced out the pattern on the lining, which is what I'm doing here, and then I'm cutting it out. And these are the pieces, the lining and that's everything I need. So the next thing is to cut out the handle of my bag. Just cut out about 36 on 2 inch wide, 36 inch long and 2 inch wide, and I got my zip to match, and these are my pieces. And next thing is to sew and join them together. So that's all. So for this bag, we'll be working on our landing pieces. So what I'm doing, I'm just getting the midpoints of each pieces and making a mark. Then I'm going to place them together, right sides together, and pin them all around, so that it will be very easy for me to sew it when I take it to the machine. So that's what I'm doing, pinning it around the bottom piece, side piece, front and the back of the landing piece for the bag. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just making sure I pin it very neatly. So after I'm done, I'm taking it to the machine. I'm just going to sew it around those spots that I pinned, and that's what I'm doing here. So I'm just sewing it very neatly around. I'm just taking out the pins like gradually as I sew along the area, and so I'm done, and this is what it looks like. I'm just trimming out the excess and then the threads, and this is what it looks like. So after sewing the landing pieces, I'm just working on the outside pieces, marking the center points, midpoints on all my pieces, so that I can align them to sew them properly. So I'm just doing the same thing, aligning them right sides together. Then sorry, I'm using cloth clips, and so this is my handle. I just folded them together for easy sewing. So right now I'm just sewing the pieces, back piece and the side piece together, back and front piece and side piece together, and piece and the side piece. Just trying to, and this is what it looks like after sewing everything to the side, back, and the front piece together. So fixing in my landing, then I'm going to fold it down and sew. So here I'm just sewing it, attaching the handle and then sewing it to secure it and sewing it around the top part of the bag to secure it. And yeah, I'm attaching my zipper to the top bag and also sewing it around to secure it. So I'm attaching the second part of the zipper and then I'll sew it around and make sure it is secured. And after that, this is the final look. This is what the bag looks like. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.